Welcome to OSI Go Direct's 24/7 professional monitoring service, currently available only in Canada. By now, you would have already submitted your subscriber information form. If we had any questions, we would have contacted you to confirm that all the information is correct. The subscriber details you provided, such as installation address, zone mapping, and notification settings, are stored in the monitoring system's database, which is linked to your SIM card's unique identifier. We'll ship your SIM card within the next few business days. What to expect? In 4 to 7 business days, your SIM card will arrive via courier, along with setup instructions for installing it in your OSI Smart Alarm System Gen 2 4G panel. But let's go through the installation process together right now. How to install the SIM card. First, let's power down the alarm system by unplugging the power adapter. Open the back panel of your OSI alarm panel. Move the backup battery switch to the off position. The switch is located on the left side. Then unplug the USB power cable from the USB port. You will see a metal SIM card tray located in the middle. Push the tray upward, then lift up as shown here. Carefully insert your SIM card with the gold contacts facing downwards towards the connectors of the SIM slot and the flat corner facing the bottom right as shown here. Close the SIM card tray and pull it towards you to lock it in place. Turn the backup battery switch to the on position, then plug the USB power cable into the USB port. Close the back panel cover and don't forget to plug the power adapter back in. Once connected, signal bars will appear confirming a successful connection to the cellular network. The SIM card will automatically connect to the monitoring station, usually within 30 seconds to a few minutes. Your alarm system is now ready for testing. For more information, please check the description of this video for helpful links. And don't forget to watch the next video step titled Step 5 Test Mode in our How to Opt In for Professional Monitoring series.